see, the game is loaded up. The game has a pretty much an open world with a very massive city that you can go around and explore. And pretty much it's the movement, which is basically the script running in the background, as well as the entire open world city. There's multiple areas that you can go around and explore, so it's pretty cool. And I learned this over the summer with Majed. It's not even like a long-term thing that we've done. And as you can see here, this is like the scene of the character, and pretty much all it is like, if you look at the entire world, which is very massive, large scale, with multiple cars, buildings, and you could like add assets in there depending on how you want it or where you want it. You can improve upon it as well. And something cool that you can do, which I'm gonna do right now, is just add a building or anything like that. Let me see here. Add a house. As you can see here, you could add the house. And this house right now, if we were to add a block collider, it's already built in. So the character, if we were to run the game and he would go towards the house, you won't be able to pass through it because it's solid, it's solidified. So you could add assets around, you could change, modify the city, and also there's a bunch of great tutorials, as you can see here. This one is, this is the 2D design, whether you're trying to create a 2D game or you're trying to pretty much create something like any type of idea. There's multiple tutorials out there, and one of the tutorials was a 2D beginner adventure game, which you could create a 2D game and pretty much improve upon it. And one thing that is pretty cool, just as this one, which is a sprite, which is part of a 2D game. And as you can see, this is just the idle animation. You could, you know, create the pixels. If you're a great artist, you could design entire animations, whether movement, slashes, whatever you like. And I'm gonna show you guys a brief 2D game that is provided by Unity, which you can see here. If I can get it to load. You can move around, play, and hopefully we'll be able to create projects like this in the future as a club, as a whole.
Yeah, so I like to